All right, making a cup. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a box cup. So we're going to hit draw box. We're going to go left to the right lower corner. We're going to click and we're going to pull up. Once we get a box, we want to adjust any of the heights, depths, or whatever else we can, but I think this one looks all right, so I'm going with it. So I'm going to click off until the gizmo disappears. The gizmo is that thing with all the arrows. And then I'm going to go up here to where it's called faces, and I'm going to select faces. And I'm going to select the very top face, and notice it's the only one that highlights. And then we're just going to go up and hit the trash button. Once we've got that done, then we select all the faces, and we do that by leaving it on the Select Faces button, and we click one of the faces, and we hit Control A. That'll select all the faces. Now, Control A is used for several things. We can use Control A to move the thing or rotate it or resize it or any of those type of things. We can use Control A to delete it if we didn't want it. Or in this case, we're going to say all the sides should extrude right now. So extrude is over here on our toolbar. We click it. It should be an arrow that shows up. Find whatever arrow you want, grab the arrow and pull a little bit. That arrow is what lends thickness to our cup. Okay, so extrude means add thickness. And then we go down here to where it says smoothing off, and we click it to smoothing on. And what we get is some sort of cup. Okay, if we think it should be resized a little bit, we can. We click off, we click back on, and right now I'm going to click on layer so I can look at the whole layer. And if I click this guy here and take a look at these guys here, what can we do with these gizmos? This gizmo says scale it, so I can grab the box if I want to and pull it. And notice how it's only scaling it in one place. So I make it a little more of a circle that way. And perhaps if I want to scale it up and make it a little taller, notice this button right here next to the blue one says scale. And if I pull it, I can make it a little taller. So those are a couple things we can work with. And that's pretty much the cup. We'll do a handle in another video. Thanks.